Okay, I'm inside Prenup Pub on College Street here in Toronto. First time in here, and I'm enjoying the atmosphere because the music is just background music. It's not loud at all, so I can live stream for my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. And I'm gonna do my food review for what's cooking with Lizzo C. First time trying their, it's called Prenup Schnitzel, topped with egg, 2 eggs on, and the Belgian fries. I think this is a red cabbage, not beets. I always get it mixed up, but I think it's cabbage. So it looks good. I'm gonna give it a try. So let's cut into this. It's a modest size.
I went with some skateboard kid.
I'll try it on as is. Nicely pounded thin here. Pork, it's a pork schnitzel.
My university special, they're just so much fun.
Very good. It's a pass. Very good. This is a place I'm going to come back. Since Hungarian, that country style closed down, I've been like thinking, where am I going to go get another schnitzel? I found another place. Very good. I like mayo. There we go. Goodbye. All right, so if you're ever on College Street, between McCall and College Street, on College, Prenup Pub. I love it here, the atmosphere. It's quiet, like no loud music, I mean. And the schnitzel is really good. Now I have a new place to come for schnitzel. Take care, bye. Generous amount of Belgian fries underneath, very good. The egg is fried egg is made nicely, perfect. Very good. So, yeah, 5 out of 5 star review here at Prenup Pub on College Street. All right, we're on College Street, going back into Prenup Pub. Let's hope I could go back and get a table and have some food. Hopefully it's not too loud. Oh, they took away the fountain. All right, I'm back inside Prenup Pub. And this time I'm having their sausages. I forget, I have to ask if they make their sausage. So I'm getting the second marriage sausages, $18 for 2 sausages, a Hungarian and German sausage, served with this traditional mash stomp. Is that how do I don't know exact pronunciation, but and then the sauerkraut topped with gravy. I'm gonna get a side of their Belgium fries, and yeah. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, I've already had a couple of bites because I am on a live stream with my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Liz will see. It's amazing, the sausages. I have to find out which is which. I'm going to say this is the Hungarian one and the other one is the German one. Sorry. I think it's Hungarian, one Hungarian sausage, one Hungarian sausage, one German sausage. So let's see. Hungary, yeah. So I'm gonna say this is the Hungarian one. It's so tasty, very good. Similar to the Polish sausage, I think. This is, I think pronunciation, I'm not sure. Stump. It's mashed potato with beets and peas. Mashed potato and peas and beets. Chipper. There's gravy on here as well. Yum. Very good. Let me cleanse my palate so I can see the different tastes. Okay. It's good. It's not as like potent, like it's still tasty. I make out the taste of it, but it's hard to. It's a unique taste, but it's good. I feel like I can go with some eggs. I would like some eggs to go with this. Take your bite. Yum yum yum. Got some sauerkraut. I mean, the Hungarian one is similar taste to the Polish sausage that I've been buying. So good. Take your bite. I'm so happy to find a pub in Toronto. The music isn't loud at all. So this is I'm going to be a regular here. I have to come back and try other things on the menu. And the Belgian fries are amazing. Take a bite. So if you're in Toronto or visiting Toronto, College Street between, I think this is McCall Street. So McCall and College, come on over. And yeah, the menu. So far, this is my second time here. So I had the Schnitzel, or Wiener Schnitzel, the first visit. Amazing. And now I'm back here and having a sausage. So far, 2 visits. Both will have 5 out of 5 star rating. So I'm a happy customer. So yeah. Let me give you another bite. So there you go. Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm in Prenup pub and looking at their cocktail list. It's hilarious. Prenup, Sleepy Joe, graduation, greedy lawyer, common law, infidelity clause. Those are the names of drinks. Spousal, student loan, friends with no benefits. Hilarious. And I'm not fit to be a husband. Sugar daddy, old fashioned. Maybe I'll have one of those. And then they have, what's the other one that, the German nipple. What's a German nipple? Anybody? Anybody can tell us what a German nipple is. And then what's the other one? Friends with no benefits. Hilarious. Yeah, so come to Prenup Pub on College Street. Take your bite.